Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to add caption of a picture in Microsoft Word and use it as reference in the text. Let's say we have this image and we want to insert a caption for this image. To do so, right click on the picture and select Insert Caption. Alternatively, navigate to the Reference tab and select Insert Caption. This will open the caption dialog box. In the caption field, type caption of your image. Let's write thumbnail for the filter function. Then in the label field, select the type of label you want to use, such as figure, table or equation. Let's select figure here. In the position field, you have the option to choose the placement of your caption. For instance, you may want to add the caption below or above the figure. Let's select below the item. Next, if you check this box, as name indicates, it will exclude the label from caption. Next, with this new label field, you can also create a custom label if you have some other entities in your text, such as chart, map, or anything else. Then in the numbering field, you can choose the numbering format. Also, if you check the include chapter number box, the numbering will also include the chapter number in the caption. To set this up, you will need to select the heading style that indicates the start of a new chapter and a separator which will be inserted between the chapter number and the figure number. Once you have customized your caption, click OK to insert it into your document. Here you can see the caption of this image has been added. Now suppose you wish to reference this figure in your text. To do so, position your cursor at the desired location, navigate to the Reference tab and select the cross reference. It will open a cross reference dialog box. From the reference type drop-down menu, select the type of label. In this case, we will choose figure, as we want to reference the figure in the text. Next, select the specific information you wish to use as your reference, such as entire caption, label and number, caption text or page number. Normally, label and number are used as cross-reference. So we will select label and number. Here in this for which caption field, you can see all the captions for the selected label. Choose the desired caption and click insert. The reference of the caption will be inserted into your text. The advantage of using the reference is that if you later add or remove the content, the reference will automatically update, ensuring that your document remains accurate and consistent. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further question or comment, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.